How to reset quick settings panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, open quick settings panel. So just swipe down. Now here, so click on this pen icon. So after click on this pen icon, click on edit. So after click on edit, you will see now in quick settings panel. So if you want to reset quick settings panel, so you now here showing you reset, so click on reset. So if you want to reset quick settings panel, so click on reset. So after click on reset, you will see quick setting panel is reset. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can reset quick settings panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.